Welcome to the Ultimate Dog Care Guide. You know, people often ask me, Cesar, what's the secret to a happy dog? It's simple understanding that dogs have needs, physical, mental, and emotional, and just like us, they thrive when those needs are met. Whether you're looking to strengthen your bond with your dog, improve their health, or simply provide the best life possible, this guide is your ultimate companion. We'll cover everything from basic care and training to understanding your dog's unique language. So get ready to embark on this journey with me. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to a deeper, more fulfilling relationship with your furry friend. Start your journey to becoming the best pet parent today. Let's start with the basics. Just like us, dogs need proper nutrition, exercise, and a comfortable place to rest. When it comes to food, choose high-quality options that suit their age, breed, and activity level. Remember, a balanced diet is key to a healthy coat, strong bones, and overall well-being. Now, exercise isn't just about physical stimulation, it's about mental stimulation too. A tired dog is a well-behaved dog. Daily walks, playtime, and even engaging games are crucial for burning off energy and preventing boredom. And of course, don't forget about regular vet checkups, vaccinations, and preventative care. These are essential for ensuring your furry friend lives a long and healthy life. Training should be a rewarding experience for both you and your dog. Remember, dogs don't understand words like we do. They communicate through body language and energy, so be clear and consistent with your commands, using positive reinforcement techniques like treats and praise. Start with basic commands like sit, stay, and come. Once they have mastered those, you can move on to more advanced commands and tricks. Remember, patience is key. Every dog learns at their own pace. Don't get discouraged if your dog doesn't pick things up immediately. Just stay consistent, positive, and remember to make it fun. Puppies. They're bundles of energy, curiosity, and, let's be honest, a little bit of mischief. During this crucial stage, it's all about setting the foundation for a well-adjusted adult dog. This means early socialization, introducing them to different sights, sounds, people, and of course, other dogs. Potty training is another important aspect of puppyhood. Establish a routine, be patient, and reward them for good behavior. Remember, accidents happen. When they do, clean them up without making a fuss. And always end each training session on a positive note. Chapter 4. Golden Years, Caring for Senior Dogs. As our dogs age, their needs change. They might not be as playful or energetic as they once were, and that's perfectly okay. Just like humans, senior dogs can experience age-related health issues like arthritis, vision or hearing loss, and cognitive decline. Regular vet checkups become even more critical during this time. Adjust their diet and exercise routine as needed, providing them with comfortable bedding and making sure they have easy access to food, water, and their favorite spots. Remember, love and attention are the best medicine for our senior companions. Chapter 5. You Are What You Eat, Decoding Dog Nutrition. A healthy diet is the cornerstone of a healthy dog. Just like us, dogs need a balanced diet with the right amount of protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Read food labels carefully, choosing high-quality options that list meat as the first ingredient. Avoid artificial additives, fillers, and byproducts. And remember, every dog is different. Consult with your vet to determine the best diet for your furry friend's specific needs. Chapter 6. Emergency. First aid for your furry friend. Emergencies can happen at any time. Knowing basic first aid can make all the difference in those critical moments. Familiarize yourself with common pet emergencies like choking, poisoning, heat stroke, and allergic reactions. Learn how to administer basic first aid like CPR for dogs. Keep a pet first aid kit handy at all times, and know the phone number and location of your nearest emergency vet. Remember, staying calm and acting quickly can save your dog's life. Chapter 7. Pampered Paws, the Art of Dog Grooming. Regular grooming isn't just about keeping your dog looking their best. It's also essential for their health and well-being. Brushing helps to remove loose fur, prevents mats and tangles, and distributes natural oils, keeping their coat healthy and shiny. Bathing should be done as needed, using a dog-specific shampoo and conditioner. And oh, don't forget about nail trims, ear cleaning, and dental care. These are all crucial aspects of grooming that often get overlooked. Chapter 8. Decoding Dog Behavior. Understanding your furry friend. Dogs communicate differently than we do. They use body language, vocalizations, and even scent to express their emotions and needs. Learning to read their subtle cues is key to building a strong and harmonious relationship. Pay attention to their posture, tail wags, facial expressions, and vocalizations. Understanding what they're trying to tell you can help prevent misunderstandings and potential behavior issues. Chapter 9. Your Go-To Guide, the Best Pet Care Book. Navigating the world of dog care can feel overwhelming at times. That's why I recommend having a comprehensive resource at your fingertips. Name of Book is an invaluable tool for any dog parent. It covers everything from basic care and training to understanding your dog's behavior and addressing common health concerns. Consider it your ultimate dog care Bible, packed with expert advice and practical tips to help you provide the best possible life for your furry companion. Chapter 10. The Heart of a Dog Parent. Tips for a Loving Bond. Being a dog parent is a privilege and a responsibility. It's about providing for their physical needs, but also nurturing their hearts and souls. Remember, dogs thrive on routine, structure, and clear boundaries. Be consistent with your rules and expectations, and always lead with calmness and assertiveness. But most importantly, shower them with love, affection, and positive reinforcement. Outro. Until next time, pack leaders, thank you for joining us on this journey to better dog care. Remember, a happy and healthy dog makes for a happy and healthy home. By understanding your dog's needs and communicating with them in a way they understand, you can build an unbreakable bond built on trust and respect. Stay tuned for more tips and advice on being the best pet parent you can be.